Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 600 in a quick and easy way so you can join your games without being kicked out. This error usually happens when your account is removed from a game or the server has restricted access. First, make sure you are not banned or kicked from the specific game you are trying to join. Next, try joining a different server or a public game to see if the issue persists. Sometimes the problem is limited to one server. After that, log out of your Roblox account and log back in to refresh your session. You should also clear Roblox temporary files by pressing Windows plus R, typing %temp% and deleting unnecessary files. Another helpful step is to disable VPN or proxy services, as they can interfere with server access. After following these steps, error code 600 should be resolved and you should be able to join games normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.